Hello there, in this tutorial I'm going to show how to edit port number of remote desktop. So what is the requirement to edit a port number? Well, sometime in a network, for example, a couple of PCs are there with the same IP address. And to avoid those mess ups, to avoid this confusion, for example, those computers are in different network, and being an admin wants to connect with all, so you can't give a IP address since IP address are same with all computers. You have to divide them, have to some way separate both separate all computers who having same IP address. And since you are an admin server or admin computer having all kind of rights and all kind of authentication to connect any uh, uh, desktop or client on the network, on the field, on the group. So then when you actually change the port number, the colon, and then give a port number will allow us to know which remote desktop we want to connect, except IP address. Or you can divide anyhow by giving a IP by giving a computer name, but VIP it's very difficult to divide. So let's do it port. Let's change the port number. So here at start you have to give reg edit, registry edit. You have to actually change the registry, and HK local machine, and system, then current control set, then control, and then have to scroll down, terminal server, and then bin station, and you will find the RDP TCP, remote desktop protocol, which is actually we used for the protocol used for remote desktop. So let me RDP. Okay, here you have to search port number. You will find port number P. Yes, there is port number, and when you double click on it, you will find the base, either it's written at hexadecimal or decimal. You can change decimal to get a clear picture what the port number is. So by default port number of remote desktop is 3389. We have to change that. For example, I give him 403 and it changed immediately. Now I have to restore my computer uh, in case to change the registry. So I'm just restoring my computer. We'll take back after what computer reboots. Okay, after our computer get reboots, I'll just log in, and the registry is changed and now will work properly. So 3389 is the port by default port of remote desktop connection, but we changed it to 4003. So where we get these options, for HKey local machine, then we go system, and at system, sorry, as system we go on to current control set, then control, and then scroll down, and the option find terminal server, and the terminal server you find the Win station. At Win stations you find the RDP TCP, and here in the option we find the port number option. It took time to actually search on port number. Okay, finally. So here is the port number. So new port number we put in at 4003. That goes to server and wants to access a remote desktop connection of 7. So for example, the IP address is 1010, and it won't work if we just put an IP address. We have to put a registry which we just made, colon 4003, the new port number. Here you go, asking me to log in, giving credential to password. But if you won't put the new port number, if it tries to connect, then you will get the error, this computer can't connect to the remote computer. Since we changed the by default port number 3389 to 4003, and we have to put this 4003 in case to get access of remote desktop. So 1010 the IP address, then 4003, which is we just put, otherwise by default one won't work. So we learned something how to change port number of remote